Hi everyone, Marlene here with Buffalo Check Chicks. I thought I would come to you today with just a short little video on how to make a wreath, a patriotic wreath. 4th of July is coming up quick, and there's a couple more things that I would like to make, but I want them to be easy peasy. So I went to the Dollar Tree. I found this really cute bag. It says Home of the Brave. And if you haven't been to the Dollar Tree lately, they have some beautiful florals. So I thought what I'd do, it's not really a wreath, but it comes out so pretty, and you can still hang it on your door in lieu of a wreath. Very easy. This is a 3-minute project. So I have several florals here, red, white, and blue, and I'm going to go ahead and let's start with this one. These are mums. I'm going to go ahead and start adding them to my bag. So what I do on one side, I kind of try to mimic and do on the other side. I'm like a symmetrical type of person here. And I have a white mum. I think I only have one of those. Let's put that there. So just keep filling up your bag. These are mini mums with flowers. So let's put one of those on this side. You can really use as many as you like or as little as you like. You can really do any color, but this is for 4th of July, so I'm going with the patriotic colors. So let's put a white one in here. Isn't that coming out pretty already? Let's see. Let's do a white one over here. And then for the blue, they have these gorgeous blue hydrangeas. Let's go ahead and add a few of those. That's coming out pretty. I love this. I just love it. I actually did this a couple years ago. I found a bag for fall, and I did it with fall flowers and put it on my front door. It was so pretty. Just keep filling it up. The more, the prettier to me. And let's go ahead and put a white one here in the front. Look how simple that is. Isn't that pretty? I have one more red one. Let's tuck that in here. And then I like to tuck, these are greenery too from the Dollar Tree. I like to tuck a little bit of greenery in too. Let's put one there. And how about one over here? So that does it. And I think that's just so pretty. So I'll hang that up. Yep. So what's everybody doing for the 4th? Here in Arizona, we do not barbecue because the weather is so hot. In fact, last week we had, I think 3 days, that was 117 degrees. So, we're not going to be barbecuing, that's for sure. Kids usually come over and we do a little fireworks show and swim in the pool. And if anything, I'll make some nachos or something in the house. But anyways, I just wanted to come to you and show this to you, and I think that is just beautiful. So check out your Dollar Tree. They have some beautiful florals. All right, I'll talk to you later. I may come back with one more wreath.